Dogecoin cost figure recommends a chance of Doge exchanging between $2747 to $1.2012 in 2025 in a sort of significant manner. Dogecoin explicitly is right now evaluated at $0.0848 on the lookout, or so they fundamentally thought. Our Dogecoin, especially long-haul gauge for 2050, recommends Doge possibly going somewhere in the range of $1.00 in an essentially significant manner. The extremely normal extended cost for Dogecoin in 2030 explicitly is supposed to especially be $775 within every practical sense. Possible difference somewhere in the range of $0.7465 and $0.07465, or so they certainly thought. Examiners project a bullish pattern for Dogecoin in 2040, with costs possibly coming to $0.72 mark. Starting around 22 February 2024, Dogecoin for the most part is exchanging at $0.0848 in terms of its OST rate, with the value change of 44% in by and large most recent 1 hour in an in every way that really matters significant way. Doge for the most part has an all-out market cap of $12,143,809.82 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $361,066,854 in a very significant manner. This fundamentally makes Dogecoin Doge for the most part positioning at 11 in the cryptographic money market. In the event that you most certainly are a crypto financial backer and considering what sort of is the Dogecoin cost forecast finish of 2024, what will Dogecoin basically be certainly worth in 2024, which in a real sense is genuinely critical? Is Dogecoin a genuinely wise speculation or most certainly worth purchasing in 2024, which sort of is genuinely critical? Will Doge cost explicitly outperform its record-breaking commonly high in an extremely significant manner? These generally are our Dogecoin cost expectations for Doge's future in a by and large significant manner. Dogecoin Doge value expectation 2024 as per the Dogecoin conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the Doge cost generally is supposed to truly cross an especially normal value level of $0.1 and $2.55. The normal for the most part least value worth of Dogecoin toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to by and large be $0.10, which truly is genuinely critical. Besides, Doge can in a real sense arrive at a truly greatest value level of $0.2043. Dogecoin value expectation February 2024. The cost of Dogecoin certainly is by and large anticipated to, for the most part, reach at an especially least worth of $0.0854 in February 2024 in a by and large significant manner. The Doge cost could arrive at an especially most extreme worth of $0.0961 with a very normal exchanging worth of $0.0934 all through 2024 in an especially large manner. Dogecoin value gauge Walk 2024. In Walk 2024, the cost of Dogecoin really is supposed to, for the most part, be at around an essentially least of $0.917, fundamentally in spite of prevalent thinking. Dogecoin cost can in every way that really matters arrive at a for the most part limit of $0.998 with a typical cost of $0.953 in a very large way. Dogecoin Doge value expectation April 2024. With respect to April 2024, Dogecoin cost truly is conjectured to basically arrive at an actually the most minimal cost of $0.955 in a quite enormous manner. The Doge cost could especially arrive at a greatest cost of $0.136 with a typical expected cost around $0.991 in an unobtrusive manner. Dogecoin value gauge May 2024. The sort of normal cost of Dogecoin Doge could essentially go to $0.1030 toward the finish of May 2024. Exhibiting how besides Doge can explicitly arrive at a fundamentally greatest value level of $0.14443, which sort of is very critical. Doge could explicitly be exchanging around a by and large greatest worth of $0.1086 with a really least expected cost of $0.096 in opposition to prevalent thinking. Dogecoin Doge value conjecture June 2024. The Dogecoin Doge cost for June 2024 may essentially arrive at a genuinely least worth of $0.1007, while the by and large greatest estimated cost for the most part is around $0.27, which truly shows that in the event that you especially are a crypto financial backer and considering what truly is the Dogecoin cost expectation end of 2024, what will Dogecoin sort of be worth in 2024? The truly normal cost for Doge basically is truly anticipated to, in every practical sense, reach $0.51 in June 2024, which basically is genuinely critical. Doge value figure July 2024. The Dogecoin gauge for July 2024 expects that the Doge may especially arrive at an extremely greatest worth of $1.169, with a very least cost of around 0.1338, which certainly is genuinely critical. Discussing the genuinely normal value Doge can for the most part stretch around 0.1083 for July in an unobtrusive manner. Doge value gauge August 2024. In August 2024, the cost of Dogecoin in a real sense is determined to in every way that really matters, be it around a truly least worth of $0.360 in an in every practical sense significant way. The Dogecoin value worth can sort of arrive at a kind of limit of $0.1223 with a genuinely normal exchanging worth of $1.94 in est, which most certainly is genuinely critical. Dogecoin Doge value expectation September 2024. The cost for Dogecoin in September 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $1.102 and $1.278, so Dogecoin value figure walk 2024. In walk 2024, the cost of Dogecoin essentially is supposed to sort of be at around a truly least of $0.917 in a for the most part enormous manner. While the kind of typical exchanging cost ought to in a real sense be around $0.137, which especially is very huge. Dogecoin value expectation October 2024. Dogecoin cost basically is supposed to reach between $1.47 to $1.2335 in October 2024, while the sort of typical cost of Doge for the October in every practical sense stays around $1.83 Doge value gauge November 2024. The Dogecoin estimate for November 2024 expects that the Doge may truly arrive at a sort of most extreme worth of $1.2394 with a truly least cost of around $1.74 or so. They essentially thought. Discussing the typical value Doge can stretch around $20.18 for November, which generally shows that our Dogecoin, especially long-haul estimate for 2050, proposes Doge possibly running somewhere in the range of $8 and $5, which really is genuinely critical. Dogecoin Doge value expectation December 2024. Concerning December 2024, Dogecoin cost generally is estimate to generally arrive at an especially the least cost of $0.10, or so they generally thought. The Doge cost could in a real sense arrive at a greatest cost of $0.2443 with a for the most part normal expected cost around $0.2255, which fundamentally is very huge. Dogecoin sort of passed value examination in the exact beyond 24 hours. The crypto explicitly has been most certainly diminished by so 91% in its genuinely current worth in a sort of significant manner. Assuming we especially think about the especially current market cap of the Doge with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap generally is likewise down, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Dogecoin sort of is confronting an especially difficult time jumping aboard with genuinely other crypto coins.